Hello everyone, welcome to Chem Bio classes. So this is our lecture number 2 of quantum mechanics. In this lecture we will study about trigonometry. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर सबसे पहले हमें कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सबसे पहले साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस कॉस 2 थीटा बाय 2 and second number cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. If there is sin theta into cos theta, then it is equals to sin 2 theta by 2. Also, if there is sin A plus B, then you can say that sin A cos B plus cos A and sin B. If there is cos A plus B, then it will be equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So these are basically relations of sine and cos that will be used in further quantum mechanics. Also, there is a sine curve. By this you can write all the values. This is the sine curve and so on. This point is 0 and this point shows value of plus 1. Similarly, this shows value of minus 1. If there is, this is the sine curve. So here pi by 2 and here pi, here 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, similarly here 3 pi and so on. Here 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. If you will get sine 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 or 7 pi by 2 and so on, that means this value or this value are coming values in denominator, then the value will be equals to minus 1, that is this. If you will get the value of sine pi, 2 pi and so on, then the value will be 0, that is this for pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. If you want the value of pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, or you want to find the values of 9 pi by 2 and so on, that answer will be plus 1. From these terms, from these direct formulas, you can derive the values of sine. Similarly, there is a cos curve. I am drawing here the cos curve. It is just opposite of sine curve and so on. Here value is 0, plus 1 and minus 1. Here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, 3 pi, 7 pi by 2 and so on. Just like sine, you can find the values of cos 0, 2 pi, 4 pi and so on by this curve is equals to 1. And if you want the value of cos pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and so on, the value will be equals to 0. And if you want the value of cos pi, 3 pi, 5 pi and so on, the value will be equals to minus 1. So these are the direct relations that will be helpful in your further quantum mechanics. These relations are very important if you want to learn quantum mechanics right from basics, you should know about some formulas of differentiation, integration, and trigonometry. From next class, we will study about operators and functions. Thank you and have a nice day.